In this video, we're going to show you how to create a QR code on your Patmark pin marking unit. First, we're going to go to Field 1. We're going to type in the information that we would like behind the barcode. Once we get our information finalized, we can then go on to choose Data Matrix or QR. Under Data Matrix, we have the ability to change the dimensions of that field, so it becomes more readable for your barcode reader. But in this example, we're going to leave it as QR. And for our location, we're going to change our Y to 11, our X to 11, and the height, we're going to change that to 8 millimeters. For our force, we're going to change that to a 4, and our quality is going to be 4 as well. Once everything is finalized, we can then go on to the marking process.